Hello and welcome to the 2023 edition of the DriftHunters held at the Legon Mall. My name is Salom and this is the RPMG channel. When I arrived, I decided to go have a look at the cars that were getting ready for the show. Then I saw some really cool cars that were being exhibited. More like a super mini museum. Really beautiful cars I had to look at. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button and share with your friends. Thank you very much for doing that. This is the ground all the drifting and tire burning is going to take place, and already people fill the place in expectation for what's going to unfold. These are how the tires are going to look like after the show. Finally, the first offering for the day. Then came along the Association of Extremely Young Motorcyclists who came to grace the occasion. More of them later. This beast came out of nowhere to do this. I told you there will be more of the Association of Extremely Young Motorcyclists. I'm not a motor person, but very interesting stuff this is. Very interesting stuff. Oh, so there she is, the Queen of Smoke from South Africa, Stacey Lee May. So she eventually gets into a car and we immediately understand how she got to be the queen of smoke. Honestly, at a point I couldn't even see the car. I could barely see the car. This is crazy.
We're just gonna let you feel the sound from the ride. Let's go.
The tire shredding, rubber bending, smoke generation lasted a good while as we all had fun. Unfortunately, it's time to go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.